In this video, I want to go over some of your guys' designs for some of the niches that I recommended this past week. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. So before I go over your guys' designs, I just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So it is currently 7:35 p.m. on a Saturday evening, sitting at 29 sales, $38 in royalties. That is going to put me at 417 sales for this month and a total of $608 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So one of the first videos that I put out this week was this one right here. Low competition evergreen tea niche for merch by Amazon, and the niche was Yerba Mate, which is a very popular Argentina tea. Not too many people know about it. And what I did is I just popped it into Merch Informer, hit search, and the way that I can tell that they're your guys' designs, first it was at 111 when I made the video. Now it's at 524, so good job on getting your guys' designs up. But I just come up here to newest arrivals and just go through the first like 5-6 pages. And I can kind of get an idea that those are probably going to be yours. And I just picked out a few that really caught my eye that I thought were doing a really good job, and just kind of want to congratulate whoever made those designs and give them a pat on the back. So the first one that I really liked for the Yerba Mate Yerba Mate niche was this one right here. Yerbaholic with the cat. And the reason why I like this one so much, I actually made a video the other day, this one right here, about what makes like a best-selling design. And you can see I have this Word document right there. I can breaking down the elements of what makes a best-selling design. And we'll see here, like this one, first, it's using a very popular design style, which is the retro sunset. This is like one of the all-time best, design styles that you can use. Second, it is cross niche, which is like imperative. You basically have to be cross niching, triple cross niching, these days on merch by Amazon. And you can see they're cross niching cat, which always does well with Yerba Mate. And then the third thing that they're doing really well, it's a play on words and also funny. So that's also going to help. So they're just doing three things really well: good design style, cross niching, play on words, and funny. That is going to make a successful design. And it looks like they're using AI for the cat. And then I like the stroke. It looks like a stroke or maybe like a glow effect that they put around it. So whoever did this design right here, great job. You get a pat on the back. Congratulations. Okay, let's go ahead and take the next one that I thought was also really good. So this one I thought was really good as well. First, just because I love its simplicity and it's not using any text, which for some reason with this niche, I know it's just kind of like clip art without any text. Those designs were doing really well. But the reason why I like this one is because it's triple cross niche. So first we have the Yerba Mate. It's a llama or an alpaca, which is a very popular, animal on merch by Amazon. It's also a very popular animal in in South America. And then they're also cross niching it with the colors of the Argentina flag, which is where Yerba Mate is from. So triple cross niche. And I also just really like the design. It could be AI. I'm thinking it's AI. I'm not too sure. But, you got the llama drinking the Yerba Mate with the Argentina colors. I thought this was, very clever. So whoever made this one, really good job as well. And then a couple others that I also thought deserved a good honorable mention was this one this one that says fueled by Yerba Mate and anxiety. I just think it's good because it's funny. Again, funny designs are going to do great. Cross niche with the skeleton, which always does really well on merch by Amazon. So good job. I think the font works really good as well. So if this is yours, good job. And then the last one I thought was good, but I thought could slightly be improved on. The reason why I like this one, again, because it's cross niche with the Argentina colors, the Yerba Mate. I like the phrase that you're using. I had kind of almost forgotten about this phrase. You had me at Yerba Mate. I remember when I first started selling on merch by Amazon, this was one of like the most popular phrases. You had me at, and then you just switch out the niche. The only thing where I think this design can be improved on would be to make the actual Yerba Mate cup with the straw bigger. Like if this were my design, I would have the Yerba Mate like taking up a larger percentage of the retro sunset. But still like the design, I would just make the cup a little bit bigger. All right, so those are the 4 niches or designs that I saw for this niche that I thought were doing a really good job. If this, if you saw one of your designs, or if I showed one of your designs, make sure to comment in the comment section. And then the next niche or designs that I want to go over are going to be regarding this video right here about the Backgammon niche that I made 2 days ago. So if we type Backgammon into Merch Informer and we filter it by the newest arrivals, we can see some of your guys' designs. And let's look at the first one, the one that I think I like the best. And in this niche, or in these designs, I found some good ones, but I also found some ones where I can kind of show you on how you can like make some improvements. But this one right here, I really like. I'm silently judging your backgammon move. So this is just another design phrase, that sells very well. It's very simple. I like how it's just text, there's no clip art, which I think is good. Pretty easy to make. It's a good font. It's got the distressed look into it. So I thought that was good. And just something to note here, like you want to jot down like 10 design phrases. You should just have 10 to 20 design phrases so that anytime a niche pops up, you can just pop that niche into that phrase and you can get it up onto Merch by Amazon. Whoops. Sorry about that. Okay, and then the next one that I saw was this one. So the reason why I like this one, I'm dad and a backgammon player. Nothing scares me. First, it's cross niche with dad, backgammon and dad. It's using a very popular phrase, I'm a whatever, and then you type in niche, and the backgammon player, nothing scares me. So we've seen this design phrase do very well. So it's cross niche. It's funny. It's using a popular design phrase. The only problem is that you're missing an A right here. So it should be I'm a dad. I'm a dad, like you have it here. I am a dad. You see how you have the A right here. So, good, just missing an A right here. Other than that, I really like it. The next one that I saw was this one right here. I'm just here for backgammon. And this one was the first one that I saw. It made me laugh just because, Bigfoot is probably one of the all-time best niches of all time on Merch by Amazon. It's up there with like video games. You can take almost any niche, cross niche it with backgammon, and it will sell on Merch by Amazon. The only thing, actually, a couple things here. First, the here is spelled wrong, so there should be an E right here. So it says her, it should be here, so there should be another E. And it's also, I feel like it's a little over distressed. Now that could just be my opinion. I probably would have gone like a little less on the distress. I would have added distress, but a little less. Like it's kind of scarred on his face right here. But I do like how everything is lined up in a nice rectangle. So this looks pretty good. I just love the idea how you took Bigfoot and cross niche with backgammon. That's funny. You're also using the retro sunset design style as well. So good job there. I would just added in the E and maybe gone a little less on the distressed. Comment below what you think about this design, if it looks good like this or if it should be less distressed. And let's see, the next one that I have was this one right here. So anytime you can take a niche or even anytime you take an evergreen niche or even a trending niche and you cross niche it with an upcoming holiday, there's a good chance that it will sell. So here we're seeing that this person took backgammon, cross niche it with St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up in a couple weeks here. And it's a good design. It looks like it's AI. They got the beer right here. So I thought this was pretty clever. And then this last one I thought was good, but I think it can be improved on. So backgammon, amazing experience, highly recommend. So this is another very popular design style right here, kind of like making fun of the reviews. Usually though, this design is used for things that people don't like. And this design originated from when Biden became president, and it was Biden 1 star, saying like they don't recommend at all. If you are going to go the other way where you say highly or amazing experience, would highly recommend, I would recommend having all the stars filled out. It shouldn't be 4, it should be all 5. That's just my opinion. Then also it needs to be centered a little bit more. So you see how you have a lot of space over here, not that much space here. It needs to just be a little centered more. All right, but good idea using this design style. Just get that last star filled out and get this nice and centered. Okay, so those are the two niches I wanted to go over the designs that you guys did. Really good job on those ones. Keep up the great work. If you like these kind of videos, this is the second time I've made this type of video where I go over your guys' designs. So comment below if you want me to keep making them. I kind of have fun doing them. It's a quick, easy video for me to do, and I think I can give you guys some good feedback and give you some credit for those good designs that you're making. So that's going to be it for today's video. Tomorrow's video I think is going to be a vlog or maybe a live stream. Not too sure. Just got to see how my schedule is. And if you want to learn how I make sales like this on a daily basis, I do have a link in the description. It's the first link. It's a course on Udemy. It's only $20. It's for Merch by Amazon, obviously, and it's good for beginners, or it's good for people that are beginners or for struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.